Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix the GeForce Experience Alt-Z overlay not working. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that the specific setting is enabled on your GeForce Experience. So just head over to the NVIDIA application. From here, click on settings, and then you want to make sure that the NVIDIA overlay is enabled. You also want to make sure that the keybind set for the overlay is on Alt-Z. If not, you will be able to find your keybind right here. If it's set on something like Alt or Alt-T or something else, you then want to press on that specific button. Now from there, the next thing that we can go ahead and do is to update our drivers. Search for NVIDIA graphic drivers on your Google search right here. Select or find the right model for your graphics card, and then you want to update it to the latest version. From there, if it still isn't working, you then want to restart your computer to make sure that everything works perfectly. And right after that, this should go ahead and help you fix the problem. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.